And I want to confirm, because some people wanasema, oh, labda president anataka handshake, oh, Rigijidi hataki. Let me tell you, President Ruto is even more strict about this handshake nonsense than I am. He cannot accept. The journey that we are embarking on today is building a huge political machinery that will shake the politics of this country in the next 6 months. And we are going to be everywhere. Everywhere. Mpaka Bondo tutakuwa hapo. Mpaka Shiekuru tutakuwa hapo. Na Bedera some 5 minutes to 8 inapandishwa. Narok is good. Kajiado is good. Kisii is the best. We have literally taken over the country politically. Na mambo bado. Mambo bado. Tunataka mkitoka hapa, we are going to have a functional office in every county with staff. Na ofisi ya chama ya UDA itafunguliwa kama ofisi ya serikali 5 minutes to 8 every day. Na ifungwe saa 11. Because this is the ruling party.
We want to be a party that engages our membership day in, day out.
Our beloved president in the position of leadership of this great country. And I sincerely believe that your ideals and philosophies are so good. And if we fully support them, they will move this country forward.